Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zach LaVine Stepback in NBA 2K. To execute this dynamic move, hold the right stick away from the basket while simultaneously pressing the shoot button. This creates instant separation from your defender, allowing for an open shot. Practice the timing in the game's training mode to get a feel for the release point. Mastering this fundamental will elevate your offensive game significantly, giving you a powerful scoring option from various spots on the court. Once you have the basic step back down, it's time to integrate it into more advanced strategies. Try dribbling towards the basket, then quickly stepping back to catch your defender off guard. This move is especially effective when driving to the paint and then creating space for a mid-range or three-point shot. Look for opportunities when your opponent is pressing up close, as this is when the step back creates the most separation and scoring advantage. A crucial part of using the step back effectively is reading your defender. If they are playing tight, a step back can create an open look. However, if they sag off, you might consider driving past them instead. After creating space, quickly decide whether to take the shot or pass to an open teammate. Vary your approach. Don't always step back from the same spot or in the same direction, keeping your opponents guessing and your offense unpredictable. Consistent practice is key to truly mastering Zach LaVine's stepback. Spend at least 10 to 15 minutes in the practice gym, focusing solely on this move. Experiment with stepping back from various spots on the court, including the three-point line and the mid-range. Pay attention to how defenders react in actual games and adjust your technique accordingly. With dedication, this powerful offensive weapon will become a natural part of your scoring arsenal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.